guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Budgets, and welcome if you are new. Today we will be doing my unstuffing for the third week of September. But before we get into that, I do have some Happy Mail I want to open up. And this is a package I got from Savings with Tracy on Etsy. I'll also link her YouTube down below. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So in my previous video, I mentioned that I had pre-filmed like a budget refresh / setup, but that will not be uploaded for a while. So I figured I'd just open this one right now because I believe I remember what I got. Let's take out the invoice. So we got a cute little card. It says, Aaliyah, thank you so much for your purchase. I truly appreciate your support of my small business. I hope you enjoyed this adorable ghost challenge. Happy savings, Tracy. That is so cute. I love butterflies. All right, so opening this up. It sucks when I have to rip these stickers because you're so cute. We got some goodies in here. All right, so starting with her business card, Savings with Tracy. Join me on YouTube, check out my Etsy store, and then you can also message her via Gmail. That's so cute. All right. Then we have Gotta Squirrel Away Those Nuts, Roll and Save. Oh, that's so cute. Got a mini freebie. I love that. Then we have some more goodies. This looks like some stickers and pins. But first up, we have a Chicken In On You sticker. I love that. That is so adorable. Then we have, a mini scratch off, Savings with Tracy. It's a little gnome. That is so cute. Then we have a little flower jar or vase, a vase of flowers. It's so cute. We have a pin. Oh wow, is that like a book and a heart? I think that is. That is so cute. Oh, adorable. We have a little alligator. And then we have an IOU. Little, what are those called? Crab? A crab, right? That is so cute. Ugh. Adorable. And then for what I actually purchased, it's her Halloween theme challenge. I'm dying for coffee. You save between $2 to $9 plus. I'm not exactly sure what the plus is, but I'm interested to find out. So I got this one because I did finish my Halloween savings challenges, so it was time to replace those. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this right in here, and then I will be starting that challenge next week. All right, so that's all the Happy Mail. So we're gonna move on to the unstuffing. Once again, I brought my notepad back. I don't know, I like flipping between the two, and especially like sometimes I'll fill this out when I have downtime at work and I don't wanna like pull out my iPad. So I'll just write it in my notepad. So we have quite a few expenses, and I am filming this Thursday. It's Thursday, right? Thursday morning. So there may be a couple more expenses that I'll have to add at the end of the day because I do want to go get coffee. But I did go ahead and include all of my expenses because I do have to put this into my Excel sheet, and I felt like I could just reference this. So like gas, obviously we won't be on stuffing because that gas money stays in my account. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So phone payment is already taken care of. I put an extra chunk of money towards my new phone. Moving on to Menards, we have a expense for $37.89, and I think I might just track this in my account because I believe I have all of the money in there. Let me move this over. But let me just double check. All right, so we do have some cash, so might as well take that out, right? So I don't know if I have enough though. have $36. I'll come back to this one so I can make some change. But moving on, we have groceries. Groceries I'm a little concerned with. I am 100% sure I went over budget this week. So, calculating all of the grocery expenses. Let's see. We have Culver's, Buffalo Wild Wings. We did a lot of eating out, guys. But it happens, so I'm not too mad about it. And then we have these down here. All right. Oof. And I did go to Costco, and that's where I spent a majority of my money. So we'll go ahead and calculate this really quick. And then at Costco, I spent $124 in groceries. And then at Aldi, I spent $123. Ooh, so that's $318, guys. Oh my gosh. I definitely don't have enough. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 207 minus 207. So we're way over budget, guys. But let me go ahead and set this up really quick. All right, we are so over budget, but there's just been a lot going on. So I've been talking about this FAFSA money or this university refund that my working and I got. That's still not going to be touched because we're still working on our fence project. However, we did go ahead and sell my Jeep because I have a Toyota that's almost ready to drive. So we did sell that for a good amount of money. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use some of that money to cover this. But I'll do that at the end. So over budget. All right, $111 in groceries. And I'm sure I went over in toiletries as well. So I'm going to save this part for later, but I will figure out a way to account for that. All right, so that's done. This is done. This is done. This part and this part. All right, so next up, we have another home maintenance. Actually, let's go back. Let's calculate all the home maintenance. So $37.89 plus $54.74. So that's $92. It's $92. I'll round it up to 93. I don't think I have that much in cash though. We'll see. So in cash we have 50, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, and 86. So we have $86. So we're only missing $7. So that should be a little easier to account for than over $100 in groceries. Let me go ahead and write that on the back as well. All right. So that one's done and that one's done. This DoorDash one is done too, I believe. Okay. So next we have subscriptions. There's one subscription expense and it was Spotify and it was $12.59, which kind of freaked me out because it should be around like $7 with the student discount, and I'm not exactly sure what happened there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out the $12 that is needed this month. So we have, I'll take 5. So we have 5, 10, 11, and 12. So we're good to go there. Next up, what do we have? We have a dine out. I'm gonna save that for last. Gas we can skip. So we do have a park pass. So my sister and I went to Devil's Lake. It's a state park here in Wisconsin on Monday. It was so beautiful, and we took our dogs. So I'll insert a clip if I remember. It was so pretty, and I'm not the usual type to go out into nature or hiking or anything like that, but it was so beautiful, and I really want to go again. So I purchased a parking pass for, I ended up to $14. I'm debating if I should take that out of my family envelope or my entertainment. I think I might take it out of family. But I'm not sure yet, so I'll skip that one for now. I did give my sister gas money. That will definitely be coming out of family. But closing this binder for now, we'll come back to that. I did go ahead and mail out 2 rough draft copies of my new Murder at the Carnival Scratch Off Savings Challenge. I mailed them out to 2 other YouTubers who will be testing them out and then giving me feedback and to see if there's anything else I can improve on before I put it on my Etsy shop. I did have some purchases there. So UPS was $3.54. And then the mailing envelopes were $3.96. So in total, that's $7.50. So I think I'll take $3 back. All right, so $3 are going back, and that's all it has now. So this one's done, this one's done. Then, you guys, I did go to Bath & Body Works, and I definitely went over budget there. But I did have like $40 in gift cards, so after that, it was $50. So what I'm gonna do is, because I told myself I was gonna pay this off with my checking account, I think I'm gonna take, I kind of want to take 20 from shopping, and then I will pay the rest off with my buffer. So it was 54, round up to 55, minus 20. So that's 35 I'm going to take out of my checking account. And then I'll put the rest of the shopping back, just so I don't deplete this completely. And like, I knew I was going to be over budget, so I'd rather just use my own money to cover the rest of that. So that's done. Next up we have, all right, so I think we're on to family now. All right, so we have 10, 20, and 25 for gas. And then I'll take the parking pass out of my entertainment, actually. And I'll call that even, because I don't know, I don't want to deplete any of these folders more than I have to. So parking pass was 14. Give myself $1 back. All right, so that's covered. And then the gas was covered. So last we have Dunkin' and a Quick Trip snack, and that's coming out of my spending if I have enough. All right, so I still have a 20. which is good. So the Quick Trip was $5.44. Dunkin' was $5.55. So that's $11 I need to take out. So I need $9 back. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Put the 20 back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, and you guys, you know what? I don't think I took out. Actually, maybe I did that. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to look. But I know Spectrum was recently taken out. I think that was during last week's Unstuffing, and then my water bill was taken out on the 20th. So that should have been last week as well. Alright guys, so I went back and looked, and I did take out our water bill payment from last week. So that's not something we have to worry about, luckily. But one thing I do need to do, my spending, guys. I'm gonna put this 20 towards Bath and Body Works as well. So I put 20, so that's 40, right? So $15 is gonna be covered by my account. That's better than the 35. And I think that's all the expenses we have. That's taken care of. Oh, one more. Toiletries. So in total, toiletries, we spent $52.77 at Costco, and then $8 at Aldi, so that's $61. I have 30. Okay, so $31 we have to account for as well. So in total, we have $149 to account for, because that's how much we went over budget this week, which is quite a bit of money. All right, guys, so I got $200 here from the money that we got from the Jeep, from selling the Jeep. So I will be putting these $200 back. Okay. And I'll just take a, wait, what am I doing? Oh, here we go, okay. So I'm exchanging a $100 bill for a 100, putting these back. I'm gonna put these back right here. And then the 50 is going to go back with the rest of the cash that we got from the Jeep. We are gonna do a little cash condensing as well. Before we go ahead and do the cash condensing, I do wanna count this money really quick. All right, so we have 100, 200, 50, 100, 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, $582 is going back. And then on to the condensing. I don't know where to start. I kind of want to start with my savings challenge binder. All right. Starting with the first challenge, let's see if we can exchange. We have 20, 40, 45, 50. Let's grab a 50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So a 10 and a 5. Perfect. So in this challenge, we have $50, $60, and $65. Next up, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be $20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. So this challenge has $41. Starting with this challenge, we have 50, 60, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. We'll grab a 20 here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab a 5. So in this challenge, we have 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, and $79. Next up, extra mortgage payment, 20, 40, 45, 50, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, let me do this first. 40, 45, and 50. And then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so in this challenge we have 50, 60, 65, 66, and 67. Next up, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. So last 50. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Alright. So we have $51 in this challenge. And then the last challenge, we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Oh, we don't have any more 50s, guys. Oops. Okay. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So I can grab a 20. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's keep that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. All right. So these are all done. Let me go ahead and put these back really quick. Let's see what we have here. Okay, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I kind of do want to keep some smaller denominations. 10, 15, and 20. So I'll put these 5s back, grab a 20, and then I think I'll place these 5s with a 10, and then I think that'll be fine. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. All right, so that's okay. Shopping. I think I'm good with that. I'll keep this. Clothing, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 5, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20. And I think that's good. All right, so 100 at 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, and 65. All right, so that's a little condensed. Entertainment, I'm gonna keep these denominations. Miscellaneous, kind of want to get some singles in here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I think I'll get 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know it's supposed to be condensing, but I feel like my miscellaneous should have a little bit of everything. And I do want to replace these two. All right. We're good to go here. Nothing for content and business. Emergency. I think we do have to bring something back to the bank. All right, so in the bank we have 200, 300. We could take another $100 back. So I'm gonna replace this 100 with another 200. So we have $400 in the bank. 10, 20, 30. Over 20. And then put these back. Perfect. So $400 in the bank, and then 20, 30, 35 to 60, 70, $38 in cash. So the $50 or $100 I got from emergency fund, I'm gonna put them off to the side for now, so I remember to write down the categories that will be getting the money. And I think that's it for this binder. Let's see my purple binder. I don't think we have much to condense in here, because most of it's empty now. Let's see, car insurance. I have 150, 70, 80, 90, 200, but I do want to keep the denominations 50, 70. So what I'm gonna do, or I think our car insurance is 172. So I'm gonna replace these two 10s with the 20. And then, actually I'll go ahead and replace the 10 and the two 5s with the 20 as well. And we're good there. Car maintenance, I'm not gonna touch. And then nothing in house maintenance. And then the last binder, subscriptions. I don't think I want to exchange anything here. Maybe I do actually. That's a lot of 5s. Okay, I'll get a 10 to 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then maybe I'll get another 10. And then we call that a day. Oh my gosh. This video just keeps getting messier and messier, guys. I don't know what it is today. I do have to get ready for work soon, so maybe I'm in a little bit of a rush. Vacation. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 65. I'm gonna keep these denominations in case I need the $50 bill for something else. Medical should have 165 as well. All right. Pet emergency, let's see what they have. We have 100 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, moving on to Halloween. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. So I want to grab another 20 as well. I'll grab another 20. I only have 120 left. All right. Thanksgiving. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm gonna replace these with 10s though. So 2 10s. We have 5, 6, 7. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm running out of rooms for my 5s. I mean my singles. Alright. And then not last but not least, we have 2 more. Black Friday has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Take the last $100 bill. So we have 105 in Black Friday. And I don't know if I want to put Black Friday into a high yield savings account. I mean, I guess I could, right? I guess I'll do that. I replace the 100 with a placeholder, and then I'll put the $100 in the bank, but I'm gonna put it over here so I can account for that after. Now, last but not least, we have Christmas. So we have 200 in the bank, 10, 20, 25, 30. So these 10s can go back, over 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do like these 5s, so I'm gonna keep one and then grab a 10. I'm making this a little more confusing than I have to. But it makes sense in my mind, so. All right, so that is all we have to condense, and I think we did pretty good. My binders are looking a little less thick. So we're gonna go ahead and count this money one more time. It's gonna take a while with these ones, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna save these ones for after. We have 50, 20, 40, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, and 10. And then onto the ones, guys. I'm gonna speed this part up because holy cow. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So 50 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. Okay. So according to my calculations, we are off by about $5, I think. That is something I'm gonna have to figure out off camera because I am not counting those ones again right now. I'll definitely get to that. And then we have another $200 that were replaced by placeholders. So that was pretty long and pretty confusing, and I am still not done yet, but that's okay. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and consider subscribing to see future content of mine. And with that being said, I will see you all in the next one. Bye!